Hey guys, this is something that you have to be real careful for. If you own an outboard motor like I do here, this is a 150 four-stroke Honda. That's an older model of 2013, 2014, something like that. Get out there and you run across some of these idiots that lose their line or they throw their line in the water. It'll get wrapped up in that prop, end up like you see right here on my shaft down there close to that seal. And if you let it run long enough, you're gonna knock that seal out, your lower unit's gonna lose all the grease, and there you go. You got to spend a whole bunch of money on everything from there down, because it's gonna burn up with no grease in the bottom of it. Now, I just happened to notice this as I was flushing it out. I saw it sitting down inside the prop there. I saw a little piece of it sticking out. So I decided to go ahead and take that prop off, which is not a big deal at all. It's got one nut sits in here. It's got this little bushy sleeve, collar, whatever you want to call it, that fits on the outside of the prop, just like so. It goes just like that. Then you got this one here that goes to the inside, just like so. That's all it is. You take that screw, cotter pin, it goes in here, pull it out, take your nut off, pull your prop straight off, you'll access the dirty string, clean that back off, make sure you don't see any oil dripping out down here, and you should be good as long as your lower unit has oil in it. You might want to check that as well. And there you go, you saved yourself thousands of dollars. So check that, guys, before you put your boat back in the water from time to time. Save you a big headache and a lot of cash.